how to get to your first $373 per day with affiliate marketing in 2025. Now in this short 6-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly step by step how you can do it as a beginner without ever showing your face. So let's go into action. As you can see over here, we had 30 sales, okay, 30 actions, and if I click here, you can see 81 clicks. Now this is in euros, 1,700 euros, right? Now the most important thing when you're promoting, for example, ClickBank products or CPA affiliate offers, doesn't matter, is to know exactly that offer is hot, it's proven that it is working, and second of all, it has the great upsell take rate. What do I mean by that? You see, in so many cases, you can have a product for $5 or even 50 US dollars or 37 US dollars, and this is the front end. On the back end, you will have downsells, upsells, right? So at the end of the day, from one customer, from one sale, you can make $1,000, $500, or even $400, right? It doesn't really matter. The most important thing is to have the right upsell take rate. So when the upsell flow is great, you can make a lot more money on the back end in the same day. As you can see over here, look, 30 actions in a day, action earnings and clicks only 81 clicks. Okay, so you don't need to have a lot of clicks if you know what offer you're promoting. Now let me show you exactly here. You can reach out to me on my Instagram, my WhatsApp, my email, Facebook Messenger later after watching this video, okay? So you can connect with me over here if you're serious and you want to have results in 2025. Now, how this works in action. You can see all you have to do, again, all you have to do is send traffic, send eyeballs, audiences to your affiliate link. Okay? So the most important thing is what is happening before the sale happens. Okay? That's where the money is. So you have to understand. Let me show you over here. You have to understand if you go over here, okay? Your audience, okay? We have female and we have male. So it's really important what kind of language patterns in your copywriting you're using, okay? Because it's really important the psychology and structure of your ads. That's what it actually matters. What makes the bank or breaks the bank. All right. So you have to know deeper emotional states, awareness levels of your audiences. Now you don't have to learn this yourself. All this can be done for you and together with you once you get up and running. Okay, so in the first 2 to 3 days, you can be up and running. You have your quiz funnel website up, and then also your, for example, Facebook ads or Google pay-per-click ads. The most important thing is you can start with $5 to $10 a day on Google Ads, for example. And as you get traction, you can scale it up. Okay? So if you're worrying, oh, I don't want to lose money on the ads. No, it doesn't work this way. Yes, if you're following old, outdated methods that used to work last year, but now the algorithm is changing, of course, in that case, yes. But if you're following the proven methods that are proven to work in 2025 and you separate from the rest of the people doing copy and paste models, you'll be able to finally have results because all you need is someone who can help you one-on-one, step by step along the way in 2025. And all you need is 20 to 30 minutes per day to do this. Okay, even an hour a day. Would it be worth it for you? Spend an hour a day. Besides your job, you don't have to quit your 9 to 5 to make at least $300 or even $600 or more per day with affiliate marketing, right? You can see, very important thing, are you targeting mobile devices, phone devices, or laptops or PC computers? Really important because, as you know, with low ticket products, meaning like a digital products, weight loss supplements, most of buying decisions are made on the phone. So if you're targeting again wrong audience, and again, it's not your fault because you should know that in 2025 you need to have someone to show exactly what methods are working, what are the psychology of ads, what emotional states, low and high emotional states are working for different segments of different audiences. Okay, it's not just about design. I can see over here. Look, with Google pay-per-click ads, people are already in solution-seeking state. Not same as social media. Okay, solution-seeking state. You can see from the words they are typing in the keyword section. You can see how to get rid of my back pain or any other, how to lose weight, for example. okay, or manifestation, law of attraction, dating. All these things you can see exactly when people are typing in, they're already looking for the solution. So that's why we call it buyers clicks, okay, because they're already in buyers mode, which is really important when you want to get those conversions with ClickBank or any other affiliate network out there, right? You can see what we got done together over the Zoom call 101. As long as you're really serious, as long as you can commit 20 to 30 minutes per day to do this, yes, you can do this, no matter where you live, without being on camera, without making any videos, okay? And you don't have to be an IT expert, okay? It's not about IT. This is about psychology of marketing, okay? And you don't have to learn this yourself. All you have to do is connect to have results, and then you can get up and running. So once you make the decision, and by now you should know that in 2025, if you have a Wi-Fi, you can do this, okay? It's totally doable, it's possible. Now, the next thing is, as you watch this video, if you want to get results, okay, you can connect with me one-on-one, as I showed you before, over here on my Instagram. You can connect with you can follow me here, DM me. You have my WhatsApp number below in the description. You have my email, Facebook Messenger. As long as it's serious and you want to get this kind of results with affiliate marketing in 2025, you can do this.